I just finished drinking 2 big glasses of lemon water, and now I'm gonna have a smoothie. I am gonna be using some baby kale, some mixed berries, flaxseed, almond milk, unsweetened, unflavored, a banana, and some turmeric. And I'm gonna split this with Eddie.
The nut.
The nut.
She's the veggie, I'm the nut one.
So this isn't what I'm eating, but I want to include this. I just made my dad a really big dish of pasta. I just used some whole grain pasta, and there's some butter beans in there, spinach, and I topped it with some vegan Parmesan cheese. And I like to cook my dad a dish once a week. That way he has some healthier vegan options to eat at home. And this is about as healthy as he'll get. So this is really super healthy for him. And yeah, it makes me feel good knowing he's eating vegan and healthier. For lunch, we're just having a lot of vegetables. I got 2 pounds of broccoli, some beets, cucumber, roasted Brussels sprouts, and I have 2 different kinds of dips. One, I mixed hummus with salsa, and the other one is a nut dressing I made mixed with salsa, and they're both topped with hot sauce and some nutritional yeast. So we're going to share this delicious abundance of veggies. For dinner, I'm making a pasta. I have a red lentil pasta spaghetti from Whole Foods, and I have some of this no salt added marinara sauce from Trader Joe's, and I have a little of this left over. I already used some in a previous dish. Kite Hill ricotta cheese. It's good. It is a little too tangy, but it's still really good. Mixing it with some sauce, so we're gonna have that, and some roasted Brussels sprouts. Here's the dinner all finished. This is my plate. We got pasta, garlic, and roasted Brussels sprouts. Here's Eddie's plate. We're ending the night with a party mix. It's what we call a party mix. We always have some popcorn, so tonight we have Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, and then we add some other kind of chippy things. We have some Burritos, barbecue corn chips, and some sweet chili potato chips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Good night.
Michael Jackson did. Smooth criminal. Smooth mess, mommy.
Whoops. Messy, messy. Alright, let me do it.
I'll do it. I know how to do it. See what a control freak she is in the kitchen? It's very hard for her to allow me to do any of this.